From late spring through early fall is the busiest time of year at the shelter, and there's a couple of reasons for that. One is that it's kitten and puppy season, so it's the time when animals are having babies, and so we see the highest number of animals. Also, people are busy, they're moving, they go on vacation, and oftentimes it's the time that people surrender pets to the shelter, so we find that we're quite full through early to mid-October. Adopting a pet during the busiest time of year is truly life-saving, not just for the Fairfax County Animal Shelter, but for all shelters and rescues. We find that we have more animals than we have homes for, and it's important that our community comes out and adopts. Only 25% of people who get a new pet this year will get it from a shelter or rescue, and we'd like to see that number go up. We have all ages of pets, cats, dogs, and small animals. We have everything from little tiny babies to senior pets, and we can help you find out which of those will fit your lifestyle best. To check out available pets online, visit the Animal Shelter website at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/animalshelter, or find us on social media on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter by looking for Fairfax County Animal Shelter.